Few things are more frustrating than opening an AutoCAD drawing and discovering that it won't load properly. Maybe the file refuses to open, AutoCAD crashes while loading it, objects are missing, strange errors appear on the screen, or the drawing behaves unpredictably. When this happens, there's a good chance the DWG file has become corrupted. The good news is that a corrupted DWG file doesn't necessarily mean your work is lost forever. AutoCAD includes several built-in tools specifically designed to repair damaged drawings and recover as much data as possible. In many cases, you can restore the file and continue working without having to recreate everything from scratch. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to fix a corrupted DWG file and recover your drawing step by step, even if you've never dealt with drawing corruption before. Before we begin, it's important to understand what causes DWG corruption. Corruption can occur for many reasons, including unexpected software crashes, power outages, network interruptions, storage device failures, incomplete file transfers, incompatible third-party software, or problems during saving. Symptoms may include drawings that won't open, missing objects, command errors, slow performance, or AutoCAD crashing whenever the file is accessed. The first thing you should try is AutoCAD's recover command. Instead of opening the drawing normally, type recover into the command line and press enter. AutoCAD will ask you to select the damaged DWG file, browse to the file, and open it. The recover command scans the drawing database, identifies errors, and attempts to repair them automatically. In many cases, this is the fastest and most effective solution. Once the process finishes, carefully review the command line messages. AutoCAD usually reports how many errors were found and whether they were successfully fixed. If the drawing opens, save it immediately under a new file name, rather than overwriting the original file. This gives you a backup in case additional troubleshooting becomes necessary. If the recover command doesn't fully solve the problem, the next step is using audit. Open the recovered drawing and type audit into the command line and press enter. AutoCAD allows AutoCAD to scan the file. When prompted to fix detected errors, choose yes. Audit examines the drawing for inconsistencies and repairs many common issues that can affect stability and performance. Another useful option is recover all. This command is especially helpful if your drawing contains external references. Type recover all and press enter. AutoCAD attempts to repair not only the main drawing, but also any attached XREFs. If corruption exists within referenced files, this command can often identify and correct those problems as well. If the drawing still refuses to open, check whether an autosave file is available. Type Options and open the Files tab. Locate the Automatic Save File Location folder. Inside that folder, look for files with SVAL extension. Copy the most recent file, rename the extension from SVAL to DWG, and try opening it. An autosave version may contain most of your recent work and could be less corrupted than the original file. You should also check for backup files. Navigate to the folder where the original drawing was stored and look for a file with the same name but a BAK extension. Copy the file and rename the extension from BAK to DWG, then open it in AutoCAD. While it may not contain the very latest changes, it often provides a usable version of the drawing. Another effective recovery technique is inserting the damaged drawing into a new blank drawing. Create a new AutoCAD file and use the insert command to insert the corrupted DWG as a block. Sometimes AutoCAD can read enough of the file to import the geometry even when the drawing itself won't open normally. You can also use the wblock command after opening a partially recovered drawing. Wblock allows you to export selected objects into a completely new DWG file. This often removes hidden corruption that remains inside the original drawing database. If only specific objects are causing problems, use the purge command to remove unused data and then run audit again. Purging unnecessary layers, blocks, line types, and other unused items can improve drawing stability and reduce the likelihood of future corruption. Network storage can also contribute to DWG corruption. If you're working from a shared network location, copy the drawing to your local computer before attempting recovery. Local storage often provides a more reliable environment for repairing damaged files. Once you've successfully recovered the drawing, save multiple backup copies in different locations. This provides additional protection in case the corruption returns or another issue occurs later. So, to quickly summarize, if a DWG file becomes corrupted, first use the recover command, then run audit to repair remaining issues, try recover all for drawings with XREFs, check for autosave SVAL and BAK backups, insert the drawing into a new file if necessary, use WBlock to create a clean copy, purge unused data, and save multiple backups once recovery is complete. Following these steps can often restore drawings that initially appear impossible to recover. I hope this guide helped you fix a corrupted DWG file and recover your AutoCAD drawing. If it did, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss future AutoCAD tutorials, troubleshooting guides, and productivity tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.